Looking for a way to enhance the natural beauty of your hardwood floors while ensuring durability? Meet LOBA AmberPrime, a water-based sealer that adds a warm amber tone and enriches the color of LOBA stains. AmberPrime provides a subtle amber glow that enhances the natural grain of raw wood and deepens the richness of LOBA stains. Plus, it's easy to apply, dries fast, and reduces side bonding and white lines. Before applying AmberPrime, properly sand and prepare the wood surface according to NWFA guidelines. This ensures optimal adhesion and a smooth, even finish. Using a LOBA Micro 120 roller, evenly apply AmberPrime in smooth, consistent strokes. This sealer spreads effortlessly, covering between 400 to 500 square feet per gallon. Let the sealer dry for a minimum of 1 hour before moving on to the next step. Be sure to apply finish within 24 hours for the best results. This locks in the rich amber tone and adds long-lasting protection to your floor. Why choose LOBA AmberPrime? It enhances wood color and LOBA stains. It's fast drying and coatable in 1 hour. Easy application and reduces side bonding and white lines. Elevate your wood floors with LOBA AmberPrime, the perfect sealer for enhancing beauty and durability. For more information, visit www.loba-wakol.com or contact your local LOBA-Wakol representative today.